Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I am at Northallerton. We're going to be seeing services from Pennine Express, LNER, CrossCountry and Grand Central. So yeah, let's get into the video. Passing through now is a Pennine Express service from Liverpool Lime Street to Newcastle.
Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 1.
802218, and passing through now is an LNER service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. (801-224). Arriving now is the 0950 Pennine Express service from Redcar Central to Manchester Airport. The front is 185116. And the rear is 185122. Passing out now is the 0950 Pennine Express service from Redcar Central to Manchester Airport.
Smoking is not allowed anywhere at the station or on trains. This includes e-cigarettes.
Passing through now is an LNER service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. (801-229). Passing through now with a cross-country service from Birmingham New Street to Newcastle. (221-133). Arriving now is the 0959 Grand Central service from Sunderland to London King's Cross. I believe this is 18908. Departing out now is the 0959 Grand Central service from Sunderland to London King's Cross. Arriving now is the 1007 Pennine Express service from Manchester Airport to Redcar Central. is 185,101.
Departing out now is 10:07 Trans-Pennine Express service from Manchester Airport to Redcar Central. Passing through now is an LNER service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. And passing through down here is an LNER service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. Didn't get the number on either of those trains, unfortunately. Passing through there was 221141 and 221136 on a cross-country service from Edinburgh to Plymouth. Arriving now is a 10:28 Trans-Pennine Express service from Newcastle to Liverpool Line Street. And arriving in over here is the 10:26 Trans-Pennine Express service from Liverpool Line Street to Newcastle. This one is 802203, and we will get the number on the Liverpool service as it departs. Departing out now is the 10:28 Trans-Pennine Express service from Newcastle to Liverpool Lime Street. Smoking is not allowed anywhere at this station or on the train.
Passing through now is the Trans-Pennine Express service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. Sorry, an LNER service, not Trans-Pennine Express, and that was 801218. And down there you can see some freight. Arriving now is the Trans-Pennine Express service from Redcar Central to Manchester Airport, not Manchester Piccadilly. And we will get the numbers on it as it departs. Departing out now is the 10:50 Trans-Pennine Express service from Redcar Central to Manchester Piccadilly, Manchester Airport. not Manchester Piccadilly, we've done it again. The front is 185151. And the rear is 185142. Arriving now is the 10:55 LNER service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. It is 801126. Cross to Edinburgh. Arriving in as a 10:59 Grand Central service from London King's Cross to Sunderland. This one is 180-107. Now is the 11:59 Grand Central service from London King's Cross to Sunderland.
Pennine Express operates a penalty fare scheme. If you board a train from this station when ticket buying facilities are available and you cannot produce a valid ticket, you may be charged a penalty fare.
Shown in this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one, and comment down below any station topics